Station 4, confirm torque specifications for the main turret housing.
Roger that. Specs confirmed. Proceeding with automated welding sequence B.
Crane 3, lower the engine module into lane 4.
Copy that. Adjusting trajectory now.
Check the tolerance on plate 4.
It's within spec. Verifying the next cut.
Verify the bend radii on section 12. Clear on the template, send it through.
Alignment check on the starboard side.
Looks good from here, lock it down.
Roger that. Commencing weld sequence in 5.
Check the tolerance on seam 4B here.
Reading green. Distortion is within parameters. Releasing the hull.
Area cleared for magnetic inspection.
Noted. Moving to the next section.
Preload values confirmed and matched.
Ready for chassis installation.
With robotic assistance, the torsion bars and dampers are secured, ensuring mirrored efficiency along the chassis.
In the Power Pack workshop, every component for the Panzerhaubitze 2000 is prepared with absolute precision and an automotive-grade cadence.
Okay, easy now. Down another 10 centimeters.
Tension looks good here.
Clear on this side.
Pedal assembly green.
Instrument cluster operational. Initiating display alignment.
Here we see the integration of the fire suppression and NBC systems. Every connection is rigorously pressure checked to ensure airtight integrity.
Okay, lower the roof plate slowly. Plate is secure, ready for bolts.
The Panzerhaubitze 2000 barrel receives internal rifling and final bore metrology, ensuring precision at every stage.
Initiating travel test on the recuperator.
Pressure holds steady at 20 bar.
Acknowledged. Proceed to integration.
The automated projectile magazine and loading conveyor assembly. The synchronized movement of robotic arms and skilled technicians ensures the rapid progression of the build.
Clear on the hydraulic lift. Watch your footing. It's clear. Bring it in slowly.
Hardened computing units slide precisely into the equipment racks, followed by exact cable routing and immediate power checks to ensure smooth integration.
Alignment confirmed on the left side. Right side confirmed. Seal is tight.
Comms module validation complete. Green across the board.
Handoff accepted. Moving to navigation.
Watch the clearance on the actuator. Got it. Bring her down slow. Mount is secure, ready for power connection.
Here we see the continuity verification stage, ensuring every circuit is optimal before the turret is sealed.
Module aligned.
Connection secure on the left side.
Padding ready for station 3.
Maintain alignment on the primary axis.
Reading green, coming down steady.
Panel coming in. Clear. Bring it down slowly. Torquing station 4 now. Clear the crane. Bracket coming through. Watch your spacing. Check. Moving to station 3. The final steer equipment is meticulously installed, ensuring peak performance. Clearance is checked on the sensor housing. Reading 150 microns on the turret. Gloss uniformity is excellent here. UV check complete on the lower hull.
Turret systems initializing. Check the hydraulics.
Hydraulic pressure nominal. Switching to main.
Main systems engaged. Status is green.
Engine stabilized at nominal idle.
Vibration levels are within tolerance, all green.
Confirmed. Heat signature is steady.
We are seeing full extension on the main actuator. Copy that. Logging the data now.
Elevation cycle reads nominal.
Confirmed. Traversing back to 0.
Sequence check complete on station 4.
Copy that.
Proceeding with emergency shutoff validation.
Clear on the turret coupling. Pressure holding steady at nominal. Section 4 cleared. Applying tag.
Suspension travel looks nominal on the starboard side. Recording data now. Alignment confirmed on target 3.
Acknowledged. Moving to the next sequence.
Gyro alignment holding steady at point 02.
Acknowledged. Beginning turret traverse.
Final alignment confirmed. Mechanical 0 achieved. Readings verified. System is green.
Copy that.
Recoil absorption is nominal at 75%. Trajectory data stable. Confirming impact zone clear.
Telemetry spike on sensor 4. Check logs.
Thermal readout on the breach is stable.
Confirmed. Data stream looks good on the main console.
Tracks are clear for release.
Case secured on bracket 4. Cables routed and tied down. Tracks are aligned. Go ahead and seal it up.
Section 4, all points verified.
Scan complete. Parameters within tolerance. Sign off initiated.
Final torque checks confirmed on the chat.
Configuration check complete on Module 7.
Confirmed. Scanning serial 402.
All stations report status. Section 3 is secure, ready for transport.
Maintaining peak readiness requires constant vigilance, ensuring these assets are deployable at a moment's notice.
Hold position. Tracks aligned.
Chain secured. Hydraulics engaged.
All green for transport. Stage the next unit. All teams confirm loading complete. Team A confirms green status. Ready for departure.
Keep tracking back steady. Clearance is tight on the right. Copy that.
Verification team is proceeding to checkpoint 3. All systems nominal.
As you can see, the power pack is easily accessible for field maintenance. Ensure the pressure valve is disengaged before opening the main housing.
And verify the locking mechanism status on your diagnostic tablet.
Status update on Kilo 7.
Kilo 7 preservation removed. Systems check complete. Ready for integration.
Roger that. Moving to November 2.